Okay.
and I want to chop.
Okay. May I know if you have any qualifications or experience at all?
No, actually, I graduated in Murphy University.
Mervish University.
Murphy University, yes.
Okay. What subjects did you study at the
I
university?
study, قبيلات, humanation, and Scuderi's language, and pollution, and a little bit بعاشك, something like that. I qualification. I teach in my.
Can you go over the subjects again? I didn't get clear.
No, I learn, قبيلات language.
Okay.
قبيلات language.
Okay.
And pollution hadal, pollution hadal, and troublemaker, and lot of.
Okay, so like hospitality kind of thing, or tourism. Did you say you study languages?
No languages, Scuderi's language.
Okay, okay.
Scuderi's language.
Okay.
And too much talking, and we have lot of professors. Some also professor, some good professor. We teach about us and something like that.
Okay. So.
But now they all that university now closed.
Okay, all right then. So.
All.
Closure University. Okay.
They have a lot of branches,
Okay.
all UK branches.
Okay,
They
that's
have
fine.
lot of branches,
Okay.
but now closed because the Kalimas and Bugis, the supplier from Kenya is stopping. That's why they closed.
Okay.
Our university, yeah, from
Okay.
Murphy University.
So whereabout is Mervish University?
In UK, they have a lot of branches, in Sheffield, Manchester, any place, but now closed. Because supplier for book and Kalimis from Kenya is stopped. That's why, no more.
Okay.
But that's why now I want to other job. I want to, and I had a capital home care.
Home care.
And I want to, list it.
Okay. All right. I don't really understand the Somalian language so well, so I'm going to transfer you